In this video, we are going to learn how you can reset your WordPress website. You might want to reset your site to start over with a new design and configuration. Or maybe you're just looking to experiment with new ideas. Whatever the reason is, you can do it easily. So let's start. Before we move on, we would like to thank WordPress.com for supporting this video. On WordPress.com, one simple plan covers hosting, security, performance, and growth tools. You can install custom plugins and themes to build and grow your site exactly how you want. If you need any help, WordPress.com offers 24/7 expert support. Check the WordPress.com pricing link in the video description. Alright, back to the tutorial. As you can see, we have a WordPress website over here. We are going to go to the backend dashboard of this website, and the first reset method that we are going to see is through a plugin. So to do it, we are going to the plugin section and click on add plugin, and from here we're going to search for WP Reset. Now this is the plugin that we have. We're simply going to click on the install now button and install the plugin. After the plugin has been installed, we're going to activate it by clicking on the activate button. And once it's activated, you're going to see this small notification window over here telling you where the WP Reset is located. So if you hover your mouse over Tools, you can see that WP Reset is over here. You can also go to that section by clicking over here. So now to reset our site, we're simply going to scroll down and we are going to see this site reset option. We're going to type reset over here and then click on reset site button. It's going to ask for a confirmation, and if you want to create a snapshot in case you want to undo your reset, we're not going to do that right now. We're just simply going to click on reset WordPress. Alright, our site has been reset. Now if we visit our site, you can see that our site has been reset, and now we can start from the very beginning. Now let's also see another method of resetting your WordPress website. This time we're going to use another plugin called Advanced WordPress Reset. So like before, we're going to install and activate this plugin, and after it's activated, we can see the notification over here. And like WP Reset, we can hover our mouse over Tools and see that it's been added over here. So if we click on Advanced WP Reset, here we can find the tools to reset our site. Now there are options to do nuclear resets and custom resets, but these require the pro version of the plugin. But that's okay, we can reset our site using this feature. Now before you reset your site using Advanced WP Reset, let's take a look at what things will be removed and what items will remain untouched. Over here we can see what items will be removed. Pages, posts, and comments. These will be removed. Custom tables will be removed. Users except the current admin user will be removed. This plugin data, the snapshots and options, will be removed. And the data that will remain untouched are these ones. So the current admin user, this will remain untouched. Files, uploads, themes, child themes, plugins, etc. These will remain untouched. Basic WP settings like site title, WP address, site address, time zone, and language. These will remain untouched. And non-WordPress database tables will also remain untouched. So similar to WP Reset, we're going to type reset over here and click on reset. And after clicking on reset, it's going to give you a warning because you cannot undo this. So we're going to click on the reset now button once we're sure, and our site will start resetting. Now let's see how you can reset your WordPress website using hosting panel. For this example, we will be using WordPress.com. WordPress.com provides you with a lot of features and a hosting panel where you can manage everything. So this is our WordPress website that we have on WordPress.com. So what we're going to simply do is go to our hosting panel. From here, we're going to select the site we want to reset. So to do that, we're going to click on these three dots over here and click on settings. And then make sure that settings tab is selected. We're going to scroll down and find the reset site option over here. We're simply going to click on this reset button, and to confirm it, we're going to add in the domain name of this site. So we're going to copy and paste it over here. Now we're going to click on the reset site button and wait for the site to reset. So that is how you can reset your site from WordPress.com. If you have a different hosting provider, they might provide you with similar options. If you're unsure, check with the support team. Great, our site has been reset. Now if we visit our site, you can see it's been reset and we can start from the very beginning. Now we're going to learn how you can reset your WordPress website if it's on localhost. And for this, we are going to use Studio by WordPress.com. If you want to learn how you can install WordPress on your local host using Studio by WordPress.com, we have a tutorial on that topic. We will put the link of that tutorial in this video's description. So if you have a local host website on Studio, you can easily start it by clicking on this Start button. And once it's started, you can start working on it just by clicking on the customizer, or you can simply open the site by clicking on Open Site. So here is our site. You can just log into the WP admin dashboard of this site and use a reset plugin to reset this site. Earlier in this tutorial, we have already shown a couple of plugins that you can use to reset a WordPress website. Another thing I want to discuss that on localhost, you can easily delete and recreate WordPress sites. For many local experiments, that might be a better choice. Let's see it. Now, Studio gives you the option to easily delete sites from here and recreate it instantly. So for example, I want to remove this site completely. What I'm going to do is first stop the server and right click on this site and click on Delete Site. And we're going to delete it now. And now we can simply create another site just by clicking on Add Site. We can click on Create a Site. We can give it a name and click on Add Site and give it a few seconds and it will create the site for us. And as you can see, the site has been created and we can start working on it. You can see it's really easy to create WordPress websites on localhost using Studio. Now, technically, we didn't actually reset our site. What we did was simply delete and recreate the site. So that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.